Did you know you can live walking distance from a golf course in Jurupa Valley just over $600,000?
Do we have the home for you? You're gonna love living on this large corner lot with over 10,000 square feet with lots of room to play.
This home has solar panels with EV charging, beautiful fruit trees, and a community pool plus a playground.
The downstairs features an elegant fireplace and an open layout, perfect for entertaining guests.
Ready to experience golf course living in Jurupa Valley?
Give us a call, we'll schedule a private tour.